And hello again. And this is Ms. Jenkins with Lesson 15, Level 5, Code.org, Discoveries in Unit 3. And here we are with the fish again. Let's run this to show you what we have here. We've got the orange fish running, but not the blue and the green. So, and then it says, can you make the fish move left only when the left arrow is pressed down? Add an if statement to check, because an if statement basically does that. An if statement checked if this happens, then that. So it's going to check if, and it's going to check, is this what the if statement says? If so, then we'll see what happens, right? In the next line. Okay. So let's go ahead. We have the orange fish dot x gets orange fish dot x minus 2. All right, so I'm going to go to show my text. For me, that's easier. So next line, we're going to do bluefish dot x and the bluefish is the one that has to go fastest, I believe. So that's going to be minus 3. And the green fish is the slowest. So oops. All right, so we have this. Let's double check everything. That looks good. Okay, so if we go to blocks, that's what we have. So now if we run this, they should all move. Greenfish.x gets greenfish.x. Oops, oops, oops. Minus 1. I made a mistake there. That says minus 1. Here we go. Now let's run this again. Greenfish.x gets greenfish.x. Oops, equals. No. Minus 1. Here we go. Boy, oh boy, you can tell it's late. Okay, so now they're going. There we go. All right, so now we need to make it happen only when the left key is pressed. So what do? An if statement, which is a control statement. So right here in the blocks, and for those of you in doing blocks, let's go ahead and show those blocks. All right, so here we go. And I want to bring an if statement underneath the background. And then if I just do if, and it's going to be key down, right, with a capital D, it's camel case, bracket, or parentheses, right, left, quote, L-E-F-T, unquote, oops, typing today is awful for me, and then bracket. You need 2 brackets. So if I go back to text, let me show you. Bracket, key down, bracket. So it's 2 opening brackets and bracket, bracket, 2 closing brackets. They always have to match or you're going to have issues, red rectangles, yellow triangles, all different kinds of shapes, right? Okay, so now it'll be easier to drag if we are doing blocks. So if key down left, so keep in mind this is a loop. This is going to go through 30 times every second, believe it or not. And it's going to check that if that key down, if a left key is down, that's going to happen. That's going to happen. And that's going to happen. That's all you need to do. So if the left key, left arrow is down, the orange fish is going to go to the left, the blue fish will go to the left, and the green fish will go to the left. And now we'll draw it. So this happens 30 times a second, everything within the green. The background will happen, right? If we take that background out, look at that, see? Oh. So let's put that background back in. Nothing happens, right? So what about if we take that background out and press that left key? See how choppy it is? Yeah, okay. So let's put that background back in. There we go. And left key. Yeah, a little less choppy, I think. All right. Okay, so we're good. And that's it. Go ahead. Hope you liked it. Hope it helped. And go ahead, subscribe.